The International Space Station camera is watched by many online. It shows a live feed from the ISS, and in the past people have said it has captured UFOs. Recently, one user of YouTube captured footage 7 minutes in length that seems to show a strange encounter took place in space. Two metallic objects approached each other. Someone posted the footage of what they say is an encounter between two objects in space. The video went down well with fans of UFO and the strange. It shows what seem to be two gilded metal objects approaching each other slowly in space. However, it does look like NASA might also have noticed the objects and eventually cut the feed, as they have done before. The encounter between the strange objects occurred directly in front of the International Space Station. People who watched the video capture of the event said that it was weird that NASA did not cut the feed earlier. In the past, people watching the feed have said they have seen something strange, and the feed is abruptly cut off. Artifacts or alien spacecraft meeting. This time the feed was left running for 7 minutes before being cut off. In the first 4 of those minutes, the two objects seemed to be partially transparent. Skeptics were quick to suggest that the appearance of the objects were merely artifacts probably caused by flares from the camera lens. However, after the 4 minutes mark, the objects take on a more apparent full look to them, doing away with the thought of them being artifacts from the camera. It was also pointed out that the objects do seem to have subtle adjustments made to them. For instance, they speed up, the shape of them seems to change slowly, and they light up. Objects seem to have spheres attached to them. Many people who have watched the video are of the belief that what was witnessed was a close encounter between two alien craft. Between the 4th and 5th minutes of the video, a three-dimensional change occurs in the object's appearance when light moves around. It looks like the objects have spheres attached to them. The video has had people drawing many conclusions about what the objects were. One person said they thought the image to the right might be the Hubble satellite, while on the left it might be the Black Knight. Did those on the ISS know the objects were there? What was pointed out was the fact that the speed of both objects corresponded to that of the ISS. As the objects remained in view throughout the video until the feed was stopped, the assumption is that those on the International Space Station knew the objects were there. It is also thought that the craft might have known the ISS was there and had seen it before. Of course, this is not the first time a meeting such as this has been captured by the ISS camera, nor is it the first time someone has spoken up about an alien meeting. Mark McClelland, a former engineer at NASA, said that he had been at a meeting that took place between an alien that was 9 feet tall and astronauts. This meeting was said to have occurred in the cargo bay on a space shuttle. Something similar might have occurred on the ISS.